Experience a captivating boat ride through a water village on the edge of the largest lake in Southeast Asia. We're in Cambodia, just a short distance from Siem Reap. Having just seen Angkor Wat, we head down for a relaxing boat ride through this remarkable village. Tonle Sap is the largest freshwater lake in Southeast Asia and feeds Cambodia with more than 50% of its fish supply. During the dry season, from November to April, the lake shrinks to as small as 2,500 square kilometers. But during the wet season, from May to October, the lake rises 30 feet and swells 6 times its size to cover 16,000 square kilometers. Here we see rice fields along the floodplains of Tonle Sap Lake.
Because they built a big dam in Laos, oil raised it from outside inside.
It's now December, so the lake is smaller, leaving the houses quite high above the water, as you'll see. The village has a population of about 3,000 people, who primarily depend on fishing. During the dry season, the river drops due to the receding water, and many residents also take up rice farming. Starting in 2000, the village organized ecotourism to showcase their village. And these boat tours now contribute to their local economy, and many residents earn a living with tourism. And I believe these boys piloting the boat are from the village. So if you're in Siem Reap and want a break from temple touring, come take a boat ride and contribute to their local economy. They also have the largest mangrove forest in the region, and it's possible to take a boat ride through the mangroves. If you enjoy my videos, I encourage you to subscribe by clicking on my YouTube channel icon. It's free, and sharing with your friends is much appreciated. You can play another video by clicking a thumbnail on the right, and you could also find my videos by searching for Haswell Traveled on YouTube or Google.